Stop searching for expensive cryptos. Discover affordable gems in the crypto world right here. If you're new to the game, welcome. I'm from Kohinoor Free Gold Crypto Forex Trading Signals, and today we're unveiling some budget-friendly cryptos that could be your next big win. First up, we have Shiba Inu, often dubbed the Dogecoin killer. It's got a strong community and loads of potential. Next, check out SafeMoon. This one's all about rewarding long-term holders, so it might just pay to be patient. Don't sleep on Dent. This crypto aims to revolutionize the mobile data industry. Imagine affordable global data plans. Sounds cool, right? And lastly, we have BitTorrent token. It's leveraging the power of decentralized file sharing. Think faster, more secure downloads. Excited yet? Invest smart, do your research, and you might just strike gold. For more insightful tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel and visit our website, link in the description. This is Kohinoor Free Gold Crypto Forex Trading Signals, helping you navigate the crypto seas. Until next time, happy investing!